So you've heard of Sofi, but how does it actually work? Ever feel stuck in a financial rut? Traditional banks just not cutting it anymore? You're not alone. That's where Sofi comes in, but with all the buzz around it, you might be wondering, what exactly is Sofi, and how does it work? Let's face it, managing your money can feel overwhelming. Between checking accounts, savings goals, student loans, and maybe even dipping your toes into investing, it's easy to get lost in a maze of financial products. Wouldn't it be great if there was one platform that could streamline everything? Well, that's kind of the magic behind Sofi. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's rewind a bit. Sofi started out in 2011 with a mission to help student loan borrowers refinance their debt at lower interest rates. They saw a gap in the market where students were getting hammered by high interest rates, and Sofi stepped in to offer a lifeline. Fast forward to today, Sofi has transformed into a full-fledged financial platform offering a one-stop shop for all your financial needs. We're talking checking and savings accounts, student loan refinancing, personal loans, investing tools, and even career coaching, all rolled into one. So, how does it all work? Let's break down Sofi's key features. Banking made simple, Sofi checking and savings. Think of Sofi checking and savings as your financial foundation. They offer an FDIC-insured checking account that comes with a debit card for everyday purchases. Plus, you get a high-yield savings account to stash away your cash and watch it grow. Interest rates are typically much higher than what traditional banks offer. Here's the kicker, Sofi doesn't charge any monthly maintenance fees, which is a welcome change from the nickel-and-diming ways of some traditional banks. Refinancing your student loan burden. Student loans, a necessary evil for many, but the weight of those monthly payments can be a major drag. If you're looking to potentially lower your interest rate and simplify your repayments, Sofi's student loan refinancing might be the answer. By refinancing with Sofi, you can potentially consolidate multiple student loans into one with a lower interest rate, which can save you money in the long run. Just keep in mind, refinancing typically means a private loan replacing your federal loans, so you might lose out on some federal benefits. Taking control with personal loans. Need some extra cash for a dream vacation, a home improvement project, or maybe even to finally ditch that old car? Sofi's personal loans offer a way to borrow money for various purposes. The application process is typically faster and more user-friendly compared to traditional banks, and Sofi prides itself on offering competitive interest rates. Investing for your future, Sofi Invest. Sofi doesn't just help you manage your day-to-day finances, they also look towards your future. Sofi Invest allows you to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and even fractional shares, meaning you can invest in companies you believe in, even if the full share price is out of your reach. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Sofi Invest offers different options. You can choose to actively manage your own portfolio or utilize their automated investing service, which helps build and rebalance your investments based on your goals. Beyond the numbers, Sofi's added perks. Sofi goes beyond just offering financial products. They also provide some cool features that can help you manage your money better. Sofi Relay is a free tool that allows you to track your finances across all your accounts, giving you a holistic view of your spending habits. They even offer career coaching services to help you navigate your professional journey. It's these little extras that set Sofi apart and show their commitment to helping you achieve your financial goals. Is Sofi right for you? Sofi isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, but it can be a great option for those looking for a more streamlined and user-friendly way to manage their finances. If you're tired of dealing with multiple banks and financial institutions, Sofi's all-in-one platform offers a convenient alternative. Remember, do your research and make sure Sofi's products and services align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.